Hi, this is just a quick video to show you a new feature we've added to OnTap TV with regard to how you can manage the streams linked to your channels. So first I'm going to show you sort of the old default way uh, that everything used to work. If you look at this list of channels on the screen, there's nothing linked to them at all. So if I click on a channel like ABC, you'll get this window up, which you probably are familiar with. I've got quite a lot of options for ABC. Let's just stick with the first one in the list for now. So you would then pick one and then it streams for you, like so. And then whenever you click that channel, it's now linked to, this one is now linked to Dexter. So whenever I click ABC, it will just play that stream. Until you remove it, that's that channel set up. So this new way of doing it that we've added is probably suited to people that may have different sources for different channels that may vary in their reliability. So you might want to have the option to link more than one source for a particular channel. So I think this will come in quite handy for that kind of user. So if I just quickly go to the settings uh, and I'll show you, this setting is going to be turned on by default for any new users. The next release I'm going to put out with this feature in, this will be turned on, but you can always turn it on and off in the settings. So you go to extra features, then there's this setting here called always offer to choose stream. So if you turn that on and OK the settings, the guidelines loads itself up again. So now I'll go back and click on ABC, which is before, remember, we just used to just play the channel. Now it brings up that window. So now I can actually link more sources to that channel just by clicking on it. So if I click add more, it brings up this window again. So now I could use that one, or I can add as many as I like, really, depending on what add-ons you use, how reliable they are. This is why I can imagine quite a few people might have, particularly for sports, you might struggle to find a reliable, always working, uh, this is crazy, always working source. I do have a lot of subscriptions, so it's not a regular setup. So look, I've got now one, two, three, four, five channels linked, and I can just click one and it'll play it. Obviously, I've over exaggerated that slightly by linking so many, but you get the point. And then now, whenever I click that channel, I'll always get them choices. So say I tried Dexter and it didn't work on a particular day, I could try another one. Let's try IPTV subs. Et voila. And that's really it. And then the only thing I need to show you other than that is how to remove them. If you obviously may have added ones you don't want, it's sort of a reverse process. You just have to bring up the context menu on the channel, which is the menu button on your remote or the C key on a keyboard, or if you long press, remotes without a menu button, if you long press the OK button, it will bring up the context menu, which is that. And you've got edit streams. Click that, then click remove, and you can remove channels one at a time that you don't want. So not channels, links that you don't need in a particular channel. There's also another way of adding them that way. If you use the menu, you can use the regular. If you click add, then you can use the full choose stream dialog window, which then gives you options to add favorites, stream files, as well as add-ons. You can add a super favorite, or we have an IPTV playlist. This is C Cloud, by the way. It's just defaults to it. So there's another load of ABCs in there. What's the chances of them working? See if it works. It comes up as unknown source because we won't ever know what's coming from playlists really, um, as opposed to an add-on. And there you go. That's it really. Just a quick video to show you that feature. Remember, it's in the settings. You always have to have the setting always offer to choose stream turned on. If it gets in your way and you don't like it, just turn the setting off and it will revert back to the old way the add-on worked. And that's it. Thanks very much.